What's going on, guys? Ryan Lane with Lane's Barbecue. Fall is in the air, and today we are talking shrimp and andouille dressing. All right, guys, this has to hands down be my favorite time of year. We got Thanksgiving followed by Christmas. So it is family, more family, and then some good food. And really, the recipe we're doing today is probably one of my most favorite ones. It's a shrimp and andouille dressing. I love just having seafood combined with some sausage, big flavors, and then cornbread. Come on, guys, we're in the South. Who doesn't love cornbread? So this is something that combines everything. And ultimately, what is our mission, right? Bringing family and friends around a table. This is the perfect season to celebrate that. So let's get started. So first step we're gonna do is prep our vegetables. So we've got some celery, onion, garlic, and then once we get all this chopped up, then we're going to take our sausage, chop it up and brown it off first with some butter, and then we're going to use the oils from the sausage to cook off the onion, garlic, and celery. All right, so we've got some andouille sausage. This is where you kind of get creative too. Just find what flavor you like. So if you want something that's got more herbs in it, or cheddar cheese, or something that's a little more spicy, less spicy, you can do it. I like something that's got a little kick. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna take these, square them off. We're just gonna cut them in little bite-sized pieces so we can brown them off in the skillet. All right, guys, we've got the KJs up to about 375, 400 degrees. We've got the skillet on here. We've got preheated. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna brown off some sausage. A little bit of butter in there. Got a little bit of our wassies. You've got all the sage and the thyme and everything that's in this turkey seasoning. It's fantastic. All we're doing is building a bunch of flavors so we can add some of that canned cranberry sauce on top of it. Real nice, real nice. You should smell this, guys. It smells like the fall. All right, guys, so we've got 2 boxes of our, I always call it Jiffy Pop. I know it's not, it's cornbread, corn muffin mix, but we've got 2 boxes of these. This is the honey. You could get the regular as well. What we're gonna do is we've baked it off. We're gonna cut this up so we can break it up into the bowl. That way, when we add in the sausage and the vegetables, this cornbread is gonna start soaking up all those juices and all those flavors. All right, cornbread is in. We're gonna come over here to the grill and get the sausage. That andouille. Woo. Check this out too. We've got all this flavor down here. Came out of the sausage. We're gonna grill off the vegetables in. Then when the veggies are done, we'll add a little bit more butter. We can add the shrimp. All right, so we got our celery. Some onions we're gonna sweat out. A little bit of this turkey every time. A little bit more butter every time too. All right, we got the onions and the celery done. I totally forgot to add the garlic, so we got that in. Just browning it off real quick. All right, oh, you can smell that fresh garlic too. All right, so we're gonna add our veggies in here. Pound of medium shrimp. These have already been deturted, sliced up. All we're gonna do is we're gonna pop these in half. We want just bite-sized pieces. Can't have too much butter in this. A little more butter to the pan. Remember, this is a double cooking process. So we're gonna brown off these shrimp right now, but we don't wanna overcook them because it's gonna bake off in the oven as well. So all we wanna do is they're clear right now. As soon as they start to turn color, we're gonna pull them. And more seasoning. We're seasoning every step of this. All right, so we've got our cornbread, sausage, veggies, shrimp. We're gonna add 2 eggs. Just go ahead and crack them in a separate container. That way you don't want any shell in the main dish. And then we've got our chicken stock we're gonna get added. All right, so we're gonna go in with this. Really, you could add about 3 cups, 4 cups. It really just depends on the consistency that you want. But we want all that cornbread to get soaked in. These eggs mixed in. The eggs are just gonna kind of help bind it. There we go. All right, so this is consistency we want. Want it wet, it bakes. All right, got those eggs mixed in, all the ingredients mixed up. Got our tray. We wanna just spray the bottom of the tray. All in. All right, look. So we got the Rectech preheated to 375. I'm gonna pop this in. We don't have to worry about burning our hands with our handy dandy gloves. Check it. Woo, woo, woo. All right, guys, now it's just nighty night time. We finished this at about 425 just to get the edges nice and crispy. All this goodness in one bite. Look, here's how you get everything. Look, we got shrimp, we got some sausage, we got that killer cornbread, some celery, onions, we got that wassies in there, got a steamed present. It's gonna be good. Here's what I really love. You get a little sweetness from that cornbread, but you also get the savory, and then that just like, I want to say big like pops of herbs, like that sage, that thyme. Goodness gracious, guys. I'm telling you, a little bit of cranberry sauce, that's all you need. Hey, cheers.